There are many reasons behind world hunger, so let's first talk about poverty. Poverty. If you don't have a great community or a great inquiry with others, then we cannot supply food, or we can. Even the farmer also need to be a great inquiry. They need to have reconnected with them. They need to tell their problems, and then can solve their problems, what they need or they don't need. So now let's talk about food struggles. Food struggles. Sometimes some people get food, they can eat 2 days or 3 days, but some people get all of the foods, but they do waste it. That's waste foods. And now let's go to poor nutrition. Poor nutrition. Some people get good nutrition, and another people don't get that much good nutrition. So their health and their growth just stuck. They don't grow in their age times. So now let's go to forced migration. Forced migration. When a war happen, then people just force themselves to migrate to different countries. Now second, let's go to season change. Season change. Different countries have different season. Some have 4 seasons, some countries have 6, 7, 9, that types. And now let's go to economic issue. Economic issue. Like some people have the problems in their economic, dust, and many other problems. Now let's talk about climate change. Climate change, like nowadays, sometimes when it is winter, we feel hot, and people just throw the dust and plastic in land where the farmer work, grow crops, and throw the dust in the water and make the water dirty. By that, the climate is changing, and the food hunger population is growing slowly. Now let's talk about fruit price. Poor people cannot buy that high price food, but rich people can do that. That's okay, but we should make that price little bit or less, so that all people can buy, they have an equal. Now let's talk lack of access to safe water. Like sometimes we need water, but we don't get the safe water to farm, to grow the crops. Now let's talk about where and conflict. Where when people just wear between, they don't think that what the poor people do, what the farms, they're waiting on the farmer place where where the food grows, where we get vegetables. They just fight over there. They just conflict and end it. They think that the place is just for fighting. Now let's talk about natural disaster. Natural disaster and climate change are both equal. Like natural disaster, sometimes the storm comes and the crops, the food, the vegetables just destroy. Farmer works so hard to grow that, and their hard work become waste.